channel Chal Chakra. Today in this video I'm going to discuss in brief about the month of September, how your month of September to be like, and what are challenges you are going to face in the month of September. Along with this, I will be going to share you the remedies also that you should do to avoid any type of challenges and the problems in the month of September. So let's start with the first zodiac sign, that is Aries. Before I start, if you have subscribed my channel, then that's great. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us. Let us start with the first zodiac sign, that is Aries. Aries people, August month, you have seen that there were a lot of mess, obligations on you, and the same feeling you are getting for the month of September too. But September month will not be the same month the way it was August month. In the month of September, you are going to see a lot of positive improvement in your life. It is a time where you have to take the actions, you have to work, come out of the comfort zone. And if you come out of the comfort zone, change your attitude, work on your own self, you are going to see a success in the month of September. And taking actions in your karma can only give the success during this time. At the beginning of the month of the September, planets are aligned in such a way that where you can work on your goals. You have to see where you are, where you want to reach. So start making your goal books. What are the goals of your life? Not only the month of September, but to the coming months as well as the coming years also. Because September is a month for you. It's a new beginning. You can start something new in your life. So when you want to start something new in your life, then start with writing down your goals, where you want to reach, where right now you are, and to reach to your goals, what are actions you have to take. So that is a month of September where you can make your goal list and start working on it. Not only make the goal list for the month of September, but for the coming month and the years also you have to make the goal list, because September is a month of the new beginning for you. If you make the goal list and you will write down what all actions you are going to take against it, and if you started working on this, take my words, this particular month can help you out to give a lot of positive transformation in your life. So take this positively. If your dream lives feel dull and you feel like demotivated as things are not working in your favor, you need not to worry, because a transformation is waiting for you, and take this transformation a positive period for you. So month of September, this is a month of abundance for you. Finances wise, you are going to, if you are open to receive the blessings from the universe, then the month of September will be a positive month for you, finances wise, abundance wise. And this is a month where you will be going to receive a lot of new opportunities also. But when I say that this month you will be going to get the new opportunities, your mindset should always be like that I'm always open to receive the new opportunities. Because if you restrict yourself, then of course you are going to miss that opportunity. So try to open to receive the opportunity, so that you will be blessed by the universe. And this is a month good by finances wise, and you will be going to get a lot of new opportunity finances wise this month. So open to receive that financial blessings. This is a month where you may go out with any of your old friend, or you may meet some new people. This new person can help you to grow in your life. Positive change are going to happen in your life after once you meet this person. So take this meeting positively. You should have a very positive attitude towards this person, because going forward you are going to see that you are going to get a lot of new opportunity with the help of this person, because this is a new door opening for you. For opportunity wise, this is a new door opening for you. By the end of the month, you are going to find that any of your friend or friend will be going to become a fantastic mentor for you. You are going to get a lot of lessons from this person. He or she will be going to help you out to reach out to your goals, and will be going to give you the positive transformation in your life. So this month, try to work on yourself this month. Do self-analysis, focus on your own self, prioritize your own self. And this month is actually a month of the new beginning for you. So take a chance, work on yourself, and see a lot of positive changes in your life. To overcome the challenges in the month of September, then avoid wearing black and blue color clothes, and try to wear more green color clothes in the month of September for overall luck enhancement. Taurus, the month of September is a month where you are going to share your emotional baggage to someone. You are very emotional in this month, and you may start sharing your deepest secrets, emotions with someone who you recently met or whom you started trusting. That is good that you are sharing your baggage and the emotions with someone because you want to share. That's good, but be conscious while choosing the right person and try not to share any emotions or your deepest secrets online, because that is a not safest position, because Rahu will not be favorable for you in the month of September. So that part you have to be conscious, but yeah, it's a good part that you are going to share your deepest emotions and secrets with someone. This will be going to help you out to remove the mental blockages from your life. So this is a good step which you are going to take in the month of September. In the month of September, if you are single, then there are high possibility that you are going to find someone in the month of September, and you may share, and that's good that you are going to open with that person emotionally and will be going to share the deep thoughts with them. You're going to share the deep secrets with them. That is a good part, that you're sharing the deep secrets with them, and this particular emotional relationship may go ahead also. So when you're sharing your deep secrets or you're sharing your emotions and feelings with someone, so you need not to feel guilt or ashamed about that. That's a good openness, and the person whom you're going to meet in the month of September, if you're sharing that emotions and feelings with that person, that this particular month, this particular relation is going to last forever. So this is a good time. It's a good time for the new beginning for any type of relationship. At the second week of the month of September, one financial issue may come that will make you frustrated, that will make you feel like low and irritated. But going after, you will be going to see this financial issue will be beneficial for you, because this will give you the transformation in your life. You will understand, you will be having a better understanding of your finances, how to manage your finances, and going forward, whatever the setbacks and the lessons you have taken because of this problems in your life that recently being arise in the month of September, if you are going to apply if you are going to take the learnings from that particular situation, going forward you are going to see that you started managing finances wise well. So whatever the problems that is going to come in the month of September finances wise, going forward that will be beneficial for you. Last week of September, any of your passion, inspiration, or any of your dream, you were thinking a lot and it was private, that was always in your mind, I want to do this. So in the month of September, you may meet someone who can help you to achieve that goal, who can help you to achieve that dream, and you may start learning towards it. So September month is a good month. If you're thinking to learn something new, then in the month of September, take a step ahead and start learning, because what is there in your mind, things that you want to learn and which is pending since long, or that you are making private, you are not sharing it with someone. So September is a month where you can meet some person with whom you can get an inspiration, and you can start learning something new which will help you out to change your life, to enhance your luck. In the month of September, you should donate sugar to needy every Tuesday. This will be going to help you out to overcome the challenges in the month of September. And for the detailing, you can check the comment session about the brief about the Taurus predictions for the month of September. Month of September, you may start a new business, you may purchase a new house, or you may think to invest in your friend's venture. This is a good time to start something new. That is the month of September. But wherever you are doing the investment in the month of September, you have to be conscious. Do the research on each and every part, and then if you find that yeah, it is relevant, then you can go ahead, because this is a time where you can get a great opportunity with a consciousness. So this is a month that you can invest anywhere. You have to be in your conscious mind. But yeah, if you are in your conscious mind and you are investing anywhere, then that will be a great opportunity for you, and going forward you are going to get a lot of benefits, because September is a month, especially career wise, this is a good month for you. You can start something new, come out of the comfort zone. Previous months was really not so good months for you, but in the month of September, this is a time to start something new. But again, I'm repeating, when you're starting something new, don't take any impulsive decision. Try to do the research work and the investigation on each and every part, and then do the investment, do any type of investment while purchasing a house, buying any new house, or starting a new business, or if you want to invest in any of your friends' venture. Second week of September, there is a high possibility that you may travel out with your friends or the relatives. It is a good time to spend time with your friends and relatives. So September is a month where you can spend some quality times with your friends and relatives, but don't forget your responsibility during this time at the same time. A friend may involve in any type of planning any event or any type of charitable event which you are going to organize. In the starting, you may feel like that is messed out, but it will not be messed out. Gradually and slowly you will be going to see an improvement there, and this particular event what you are organizing, that will be good for you. To enhance your luck in the month of September, try to donate some jaggery to the needy every Tuesday. It is going to help you out to enhance your luck. Cancer, Moonchild. So month of September, it is a month where your dreams are going to come true and you will be able to feel the reality of the life. This is a month where you should work on your dreams, the things that you are hoping since long. So in the month of September, you can hope that this particular thing will be successfully done for you. So stop complaining about that thing. Start paying gratitude towards the universe. You will be started seeing that all your dreams will come true now. So September is a month where you will be started seeing those signs where your dream will started seeing positive for you. People around you may feel like that whatever you are thinking or whatever your dreams are, it is unrealistic and you will not able to fulfill your dream. But stop sharing your dreams with others. Stick to your own self. Take the actions. One day your dream is going to come true. Finances wise, month of September, you are going to see a lot of improvement. If you are into a creative work, then this is a month where you can get some extra money too. So this is a month good finances wise and abundance wise overall for you. Second week of September will not be so good month relationship wise. There you have to be little bit conscious. You may look for a closure from someone, but you may not get the closure. So try to work on your emotions. This is the time where it is not a good time relationship wise. Do the remedies to improve your relationship. Later in the month, you may realize whatever the fears was there in your mind or whatever the restlessness was there in your mind will come true, will be there in front of you, because as a human bodies are made up of stardust, all your fear would come true. So September is a month where you are going to face your fears. To overcome the challenges in the month of September, you should chant Namah Shivaya. So you have to close your eyes, chant Namah Shivaya in your mind 11 minutes daily without miss. If you are doing it before going to sleep, then that will be going to help you out to improve your love life, as well as you will be going to see an overall improvement in your life. Leo, in the month of September, in the starting of the week of the September, you may feel upset, low on energy because of a lot of mess which you are going to carry forward from August to the September month. And you may feel like low, especially mental health wise, this will not be a good week for you. So it is suggested that you should connect to some counselor to talk about. You should share your feelings with someone, because it is seen that someone in your office or in your personal life is not treating you well, due to which you are overthinking a lot and all the baggage is inside you. You are not able to share your feelings with someone. So all the baggage that you are going to carry forward from August to the September month. So first week of September will be very stressful for you. My suggestion to you here is that try to share your feelings with someone whom you trust the most. You can share it with your friends or the relatives. It will be going to help you out to remove the baggage in the month of September. Second week of September, gradually and slowly, you are going to see an improvement in your mood. You will be feeling much better and happier as compared to the first week of September. Vibrations would also be high, and in the second week of September, you may get some new opportunity from the outside which you are expecting since long. So in the second week of September, you can get that opportunity too. In mid-month of September, you may think to move to a different place, but this will give you another pain and dissatisfaction in your heart, because you don't want to change the place. So it is suggested that try to live in the same place with the small changes in your life. It is good for you, because if you are going to change the place right now, it will not be so good step for you. So overall, to improve your luck and to enhance your luck in the month of September, offer water to sun daily and chant Aditya Hriday Stotra. Without miss, you have to chant Aditya Hriday Stotra. This is going to help you out to improve the quality of your life. Virgo, September is a month where you should focus on your own self, nurture your own self, because this is a time where you require your own self the most. This is not so good month mental health wise. You may feel like stress, mental health wise you may feel like bad, isolated, and maybe in the depression and anxiety too at the time. So it is suggested that whatever the things that you have stored in your mind, please share the same with other, share the same with the universe. Go out and cry out loudly, share your feelings with the universe, so that you will be able to remove your emotional pain which you are going through. By the end of the first week, your mental health will be improved. You will be feeling more refreshed and motivated at the same time. Any work which is pending since long, since like you are applying for the you are looking for the promotion, or you have applied for the job, or you have applied for any type of loan, then in the second week of September there is a high possibility that that work will be completed successfully and will be in your favor. Later in the month, any of your friend can reach out to you and discuss about the bad behavior, and because of the fights which happened between you both. So try to open yourself, be honest, share your honest feedback with them, so that it is not giving you any more pain in your life. As the last week of September, you will see that this month will be a productive month for you. You have done great things in this month. You will be seeing a lot of transformation in this month, from the pain to the good days. If you haven't gone out and invest more time with your own self, this is a month, last week of September, you can cultivate the self-love, go out, enjoy your life and have fun. To improve your life and to overcome the challenges in the month of September, try to chant Hanuman Chalisa daily 3 times. It is going to help you out to overcome the challenges which you are going to face in the month of the September because of the planetary placement. Libra. So the month of September will be the month of accomplishment and the connection. So this is a month where you will be praised, you will be going to feel proud on your own self. People are going to praise you. Any of your event or anything related to your personal life or the professional life will be accomplished successfully. So the starting week of September will be a good week for you, where you are going to get the appreciation of your hard work. So enjoy this moment. Libra, if you are single, then there are high possibility that you are going to meet your soulmate in the month of September. Be open to receive the love, and you may find your partner in your career or in any group, in the friends group or any charitable event you are recently visiting in the middle of the month of September. As the month is going to progress, you might feel more motivated to organize your own self, to organize your house. You are going to manage things more better in the month of September, and you will be more energetic in the month of the September. So this will be overall a positive month for you. Try to take the actions. Luck will be your side in the month of September. To enhance more luck in the month of September, try to feed cows bananas. If you are not finding cows banana, if you are not able to find the cows in the nearby area, in that case you can light up a lamp in front of in the northeast corner of a house. Add a pinch of turmeric in it and try to add cow desi ghee while lighting up a lamp every Thursday. This is going to help you out to enhance your luck. Scorpio, in the month of September, you are going to navigate the commitment and embracing the loved one. So this is a month where if any of your romantic partner or in your professional life, somebody is looking for an commitment from you, but you are confused and you are not able to take the step. So my suggestion to you here is that first try to evaluate, try to work on it, try to study it, and then take the decisions. Don't be in hurry, because you are always in hurry, and because of your impulsive decisions you take the wrong decisions. So try to work before giving commitment to anyone in the month of September. September month is a perfect time where the planets are aligned in such a way where you can go ahead and spend some time with your family, friends and relative. You can plan to go out for a good date with your partner, or you can go out with your family and spend time, because this is a month to spend quality time with your friends, relatives and your life partner. This will be going to help you out to improve your relationship with them. At the end of the month of the September, you may stress and you may overthink a lot, or some type of bad news you may get to know from your personal life or the professional life. because of which you will be very much into stress. So it is suggestible you to join, you should do the exercise or do any physical activities to channelize your energies, and you may feel better. To enhance your luck in the month of September and to overcome the challenges, try to feed green vegetables to the cows in the month of September. If the cows are not nearby you, then try to donate some green vegetables to the needy. This is going to help you out to overcome the challenges in the month of September. Sagittarius, in the month of September, you are going to discover the new depth and resolving a lot of conflicts in the month of September. This is a month where you will be going to get to know lot of new things about the people whom you love. You will be going to get to know about a lot of new secrets of them which you were unknown since long. So this is a month to know more about the person whom you are very much connected, and this particular secret or the connection will be going to help you out to make good connection with this person too at the same time. September is a month which will be a very productive month. Career wise, you will be having a lot of work responsibility around you, so you will be very much occupied in your career. But this is a time where you have to be conscious, because you may get conflict with your partner, life partner, friend or the relative. So you have to be conscious in the month of September and try to be more calm. To avoid the challenges in the month of September, you should try to do fasting on Thursdays, because right now Jupiter is a planet which is not so well placed for you in the month of September and will be going to give you the setbacks and the problems in your love relationship. Capricorn, September is the month where you are going to navigate the protectiveness and the creativity. In the first week of September, you may feel frustrated or aggressive, or you may have an irritation from any of your loved one. It can be your life partner, parents or any of your friends or the relatives, because they are trying to dominate you. They have a lot of restrictions. You want to do something but they are restricting you, and the purpose, their intentions towards you will be very clear. They want to protect you because they want that you should not be hurt going forward. So you have to handle this situation with very kindness, humble and be patient, because they are not dominating you, or they are just protecting you. Before any type of unforeseen happen in your life, they just want to protect you. That is the reason their attitude towards you is like that. Otherwise, it is your understanding that they are trying to control you. So try to be more humble, kindness and be calmer in the first week of September, as the first week of the September will not be so good month. You may use some harsh word towards your loved ones. So try to be conscious. Towards the end of the September, you may start a new project, financial project that you are not expecting to grow, but in the month of September, this will be going to grow and will be going to give you a lot of profits also going forward. So this is a good time to start something new, but start with a minimal investment, as you are going through the last phase of Shani ki Sade Sati. So try not to invest more amount. Just take what universe is giving you and start with a minimal amount. So this is a month where whatever the project you are going to start in the month of September, which is going to grow gradually and slowly, and you are going to get a lot of financial benefits out of it. Aquarius, September is a month where you are going to resolve your misunderstanding. And this is a month where there is a long misunderstanding between your friend or any of your life partner or the relative. Then this is a month in the starting week of September. You may talk to them and you can clear your discussion with them. This particular discussion with them may end up ending that particular relationship. So in the first week of September, you may get the closure from the person or from the things that you were looking since long. The second week of September looks more brighter and more interesting and the joyful too at the same time. This is a month where you can connect to some of your old friend and you may start a new venture, come into the partnership, and this particular partnership will be profitable for you. You are going to see an improvement, gradually and slowly improvement in your career too at the same time. At the end of the September month, you may receive some surprise gift or surprise from the loved one. So that will be the moment where you will be very happy. Appreciate the feelings of your partner during this time, and to improve the luck in the month of September, try to chant Radhe Radhe. You have to just close your eyes and chant Radhe Radhe daily 11 minutes. It is going to help you out to remove the blockages from your life and will help you out to enhance love. This is the month of September. You may focus on your dreams, so this is a good time. Start writing down your goals. Keep the notebook near you whenever you sleep. Write down the goals and the actions, and if you started working towards your action, you are going to see a lot of positive changes in your life. This is a month of starting something new. So if you are going to work on your goals and long-term goals, not only for the month of September, for the long term, for the coming months and the coming years, and start working towards your goals, this is a good time for the new beginning. Work on your own self. Those goals will be going to accomplish successfully. September is a month where you can work on your dreams, you can work on your hobby, any particular subject you are interested into. So this is a month where you can start learning, because this is a month to start something new and work on yourself. So right now you are going through Shani ki Sade Saathi. So this is a phase where universe will push you towards add on more skills and knowledge in your life. So work on your passion. It is a good time. To enhance your luck overall this month, try to chant Namah Shivaya daily 11 minutes. Close your eyes, chant Namah Shivaya daily. It will be going to help you out to remove the blockages in the month of September. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And for the detailed predictions for the month of September, you can check the comment section. There you can get the detailed prediction. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us. Thank you and have a great day.